In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the design of a Wix site menu and drop-down menu. Open your site in the Wix editor. On the canvas, click your site menu in the header to select it. You'll see it highlight, confirming the selection. With the menu selected, choose Quick Edit to get into the main styling controls. In the preview within this panel, click a sample menu item. Often it appears as a placeholder like Hello World, so you can see your changes in real time. Use the Change button to browse design presets, then customize. Each time you click Change, pick the specific element you want to refine: text, background, borders, spacing, or corners. As the controls highlight, confirm your choice and continue adjusting. Be sure to style the different states of your links too: regular, hover, and current page, so visitors always know what's interactive. Aim for strong color contrast for readability and a distinct hover style, like a color shift or underline, to improve clarity and accessibility. Once the basics look right, open the menu settings to fine-tune behavior and layout. Here you can adjust alignment, the orientation, and how the drop-down opens. If you prefer hover, keep it responsive without feeling twitchy. If you prefer click, switch to that behavior. Also check submenu width and padding so labels don't wrap awkwardly and there's enough breathing room for comfortable navigation. Now manage the items themselves. Select Edit Menu to open the menu panel. Choose Menu to view your current pages and links. To build a drop-down, drag items beneath a parent label where it says Drag Items into the drop-down. When the item indents beneath the parent, it becomes part of that drop-down. You can reorder items the same way until everything flows logically. If you need a new item, click Add Menu Item, choose New Page, then Add Page. Pick Blank Page if you want a fresh canvas, or select a template when you see Choose Your Starting Point. Give the new page a clear name so it's easy to recognize in the menu and for your visitors. Back in the menu panel, arrange it into place, and click a menu item in the preview to double-check how it looks across its states. When you're happy with the design and structure, click Publish. Then select View Site to open your live site in a new tab. Test the top-level links and drop-downs, checking hover, active, and focus states. If anything needs polish, return to the editor, repeat your change adjustments on the highlighted controls, and publish again. That's it! Your Wix menu and drop-down now look and feel exactly the way you want.